Hello guys, welcome back to Packwise Gear. So today we are doing a different kind of a video. So here what I have, you're in my 3D printer farm. I just have 2 printers in my farm. I have 2 other printers which are more like for prototyping, but these are actually for the mass production. So this video is sponsored by SainSmart. They are the one who actually providing the filament to actually do the prototyping or testing of different EDC products out there. Today our focus will be wallets, okay? So yes, it is totally possible to print a wallet using a 3D printer. So SainSmart, they have provided me different kinds of filament which actually goes in the 3D printer and you actually build the product. So, and thank you for SainSmart for actually, providing this for this video. So today our focus is using a TPU. It's a special kind of filament which is more flexible. I actually have it right here. So this is one of our main product. This is using the filament provided by SainSmart, and it's a flexible EDC wallet. Okay, so we are going to print open source wallets which are actually available in the 3D printing arena, and we're going to print those using SainSmart filament and see how it goes. So I have already started a wallet in this printer, and on this printer actually I'm printing something else for testing purposes. But eventually what we're going to do is we're going to print the airless basketball. It's a little bit small in size, not full size NBA size, but in here. And then I'll, as this video goes along, I'll show you how the progress goes. So this is kind of intro to what we're doing today. And so as I said, I'm going to show on the screen how the wallet is going to look like. And I'm going to show you guys actually when it gets printed out, how it's going to look like after post-production and while in production right now as well. So keep watching Packwise Gear. Hello guys, welcome back to Packwise Gear. So this is the output, various output by the TPU we have used by SainSmart, and I have done different type of EDC products here. So this is the open source TPU wallet with the Alligator skin texture on the top, so it kind of opens up like that. Have a placeholder for the for your bills notes, and also has a credit card slot. Now this is a little bit tight because it's printed based on whatever the recommendation provided by the model designer for this. So it's I kind of snugged in there like how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit cards. So it can hold up to 12 credit cards across, and I think the model is pretty nice, and also the SainSmart TPU, which I used here, is blue silk. So print as it is can hold 12 credit cards, and I also checked the size of this. So this kind of universal build note slot. Okay, so it looks pretty solid, but a little bit on the hard side. So if you're interested in this, I'll provide you guys a link in the description below how you can use this, download it and print in your 3D printer using a TPU from SainSmart, which is pretty nice, blue silk color. Now, the other ones I have here is, so these three are, which I'm going to provide the link for you guys to download and enjoy for free. This is built by me, designed by me. This is a EDC wallet and a coin slot, which you can utilize. This is my commercial product. So this is EDC wallet, can hold up to 6 cards, and also a money slot right here. Like, let me see if I have some cash. I do. So it can also hold a bill on one of these pockets here, and can also, of course, hold the credit card in the slot as well. I have been using this for months, and it's a fantastic product. So this is again printed in blue silk, but different texture finish, different output of this model. Of course, it's my commercial product, so I'm not going to provide link for this, but I'm going to provide very similar link, which is kind of almost the same product but different use case. So this is a silk blue. This is olive dab matte TPU by SainSmart. All these are SainSmart products, and this is gold by SainSmart. Okay, so EDC wallet, beautiful colors. Now let's talk about this. So this is the SainSmart gold color. So you can actually hold coins in this pocket. And one of my friends, tested this wallet for quite a bit of time, and he's pretty much happy with it because it can hold. This coin slot is really snug. Okay, you can drop in, and if you want to open it up, it's also a little tight. So it's not going to come out like that. So if you really want your coins to be out, you have to open this slot like that and get the coins out and use it. You can also save your key. You can also put your air tag in there. Pretty solid pocket, not going anywhere. On this slot, you can have 3 credit card slots. So I call this EDC pocket. So this was the objective of having this wallet, and this is right now the rubber is tight because I just got this out of the machine. But once it opens up, these cards should be able to slide, and you just need to try it out a couple of times, make these slots a little open, and then it's going to slide right in there. So this one is another one right in there. So this is silver SainSmart TPU, and this is ruby red SainSmart TPU. I can potentially make in this texture as well, but that will be a commercial product. But if you want to print something on your own, you can do that right now. I'll be providing this model free for the open source world to take on. Okay, and I'm going to provide quite a bit of open source EDC wallets, which I had kind of prototyping myself, and some I built, but I tried to build for the commercial purposes, but I was not able to sell them because I didn't feel that's a ready product. So it's challenging to build TPU material EDC wallet, but I think that this one is quite sufficient for me for daily use. I am myself using this, for a long time. And it's not waterproof because there's this texture in there. So it's not, this one is waterproof in a way that if you put something in there, if water is somewhere here, it's not going to get in your product because this is all tight. This one has some texture and some see-through material, but they are vegan wallets, so, can hold credit cards nice and snug. You just need to open these holes a little bit, and then once they're ready to go. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and keep watching Packwise Gear. Thank you.